Hello! Welcome to another Imperfect Foods unboxing. Now you might think there's not a lot of stuff in this box. However, I got so much stuff from Imperfect Foods that I have not one, but two boxes this time. Yes. So let's get into the first box. When you hashtag cooking ugly, Imperfect Foods donates 5 pounds of produce to a local food bank in your area. So, and you can also recycle your boxes and stuff. So let's see, I've got a couple pears here. I've got some apples. This is box number 1. There's not much in box number 1. And a grapefruit. Have a toy cat. Box 2. Oh, the heavy one. Now, Imperfect Foods, you can now get more than just produce. However, I've got a lot of produce. Kind of produce heavy box here still. I've got some lovely kale. I love kale. Like, it's incredible. It's great. 1, 2, 3 orange peppers that are beautiful. I decided to try a little turkey gravy. Yeah, a little fun there. No GMOs. It's organic, and it was only $2 to go with my potatoes. That's right, we're gonna have some mashed potato time. Let's see, we've got avocados. They seem very unripe, but you know what I'll do? I saved a little, like paper, like one of those cartons that you get like strawberries in or whatever during the summer. So I saved that carton, and I put the avocados in there, and they ripen in like 2 days. Now, you can now get refrigerated items, and they like seal them and pack them really well. We're going to see how this worked. And they don't look like any of them are broken, which is awesome. We have 18 hen cage-free eggs for like $3, which is awesome because I'm making it my goal in 2020 to eat more breakfast and also bake more. And you definitely need eggs for baking. So we will put those away in a hot second. I also decided to try some new stuff. We've got some organic kombucha. It's already cold too, so if I want to drink it, I mean, I could just try it right now. But I'm going to try some things that I haven't tried in my boxes before. Then we have meat products, which are sealed with like ice packs. So I got some lox here, nice little bagel, cream cheese, some lox, and then I got a couple boneless, skinless chicken breast. So gonna be eating well going into 2020. So that is pretty much, I think, all that's in my box. Oh, the best thing is these ice packs are reusable. So all you have to do is keep them frozen, and then you can use them in coolers and stuff. So a lot of things you can reuse and purpose. Anyway, Imperfect Foods. If you like what you see, leave me a comment, a tweet, an Instagram, whatever, and I will get you $10 off your first box. Yes, $10. And I am going to go enjoy my bounty of yumminess going into 2020. Eat healthy and awesome. Bye.